What's up, everybody?
Hi!
We. So we are here to do a unboxing. She has notes. I have my notes are in my phone.
May cheat pa eh.
So we're going to unbox a newly bought gadget, GoPro Hero 10. We bought this because we had a GoPro Hero. What is this? 5?
5.
GoPro Hero 5 here.
Matagal na kasi siya eh.
It's really old. So we tried it during our trip to Siargao.
And na-corrupt yung...
Yeah, the SD card got corrupted and the battery just kind of died. So due for replacement. But after this, if you watch our other vlog, if you haven't, we'll put it somewhere here in this area. We had an Insta360 Go 2 that was short-lived. We did an unboxing, we did a test review.
And we'll put the link down below.
Yeah.
If hindi nyo pa napapanood yung video.
And then we'll put the preview thingy somewhere up here. Basically to that. It was a sad day. We lost it. It vanished. It was gone. So, moving forward, we decided to get the GoPro Hero 10. We were actually contemplating on getting either this or the new DJI Action.
Action
Yeah,
camera.
was it Osmo Action? Action Osmo. We'll use my cheats right here.
Because we're really planning to buy a lot of things para mas ma-improve yung videos namin.
Yeah.
But, syempre si Tom yung magaling sa camera, so I let him decide which camera to buy. Because there's a lot in the market.
Yeah.
Pero, it's really hard for us to decide kung ano yung mag-fit para sa amin.
So the DJI Action, that's what I was comparing because the price range is quite similar. This camera of ours, we ordered it through Henry's Cameras. Thank you. We were able to get actually we were able to get a promo. Yeah, it's an online it was an online exclusive promo that they had. So we bought this and it came with SD card or micro SD card and a free extra battery, but it will be delivered separately because they ran out of stocks, but rest assured they will send it. And this cost us total of 29,670. That's including local shipping to my area, but I mean it might vary depending where you have it shipped. But the flat price of this is 29,490. That is the flat price at Henry's. I don't know if it's the cheapest, but I trust the shop and I know them from way back. I used to buy stuff from them, so
They're really a camera shop.
Reliable and trustworthy. So it's a good balance between price and trust. Because I think, right, you can get it for cheap, but if you never get it, what's the point? So moving back, we got this, and if you can see a little damage on the side, I kind of went
Wild with opening
I cut the bubble wrap and it went through, but thankfully it comes with a hard case, so this thing is safe. So on to the unboxing. So see the box, open it up. What you have, just this, nothing else in the box. Put that there. Zip it. What do you have? Then stuff. So comes with a charger. What is this? Type C. Type C charger. So standard Type C charger. You got mounting option. So this is the one that goes to the base of the GoPro. And you have your battery. Standard GoPro battery. Then you have the other mounting option, or the mounting connection zone thingy. So obviously we gotta practice how to make this work because we haven't used it before. I'm not really I've never used a GoPro actually since the there you go. You'll do that rubber thingy, push it in.
He never really got to explore
Yeah.
the GoPro Hero 5 because it's not really
Yeah,
working
never,
well
yeah.
that time.
And I never really used an action cam for myself. I just used the Sony cam. Actually, we also decided to explore this. Apart from wanting to replace this in the Lost Insta 360 is I was watching a vlog of my friend.
Because of his friend.
Yeah, Justin.
Hi,
Justin Buzz Hype. We're gonna put his
Justin.
channel somewhere here, maybe not. But thank you. I asked him what camera he uses. It's super smooth, and it was portable. And he said he used a GoPro, and I was like, oh, well, I didn't know you could use it for vlogging. I thought it was just for action, you know, put in your bike or whatever. But great. So we have that, and then the mounting screw. So you have that. And then, of course, comes with the GoPro itself. I would like to think so, because if not, what a scam. So yeah, they put this little paper thing. Not sure what it's for, but yeah. So that's it. If you looked at it side by side, there's a obvious size difference.
But when you compare it with the Hero 9, sabi nila
they said
it's almost the
almost
same.
identical.
Yeah, mostly. And ang difference lang nila na makikita mo physically is the color blue. This one.
There you go. That one.
Yung logos niya.
Mm-hmm.
Here's the front, same.
And of course, as you can see, the big front facing. I mean, we can't do a comparison with the 9 because we never used it, so it'll be this. I'm sure it's way better than this 5 versions down the road.
And they say na yung GoPro, dun sa mga gumagamit ng GoPro talaga, perfect na daw yung pakagawa nitong GoPro 10.
Yeah.
Because if I'm not mistaken, and based sa experience ko with GoPro Hero 5, it's really hard to use it, especially kapag i-open mo siya.
Yeah.
May voice command siya, but it's not that easy to use.
So
I hope this one will
be easier.
Yeah, will be easier to use.
It's well built. It's nice. It doesn't feel flimsy or cheap. You know, everything is pretty smooth. Onto the basic usage, I guess. I'll be the one doing the
Yeah,
demo
go ahead.
because first timer.
Karma experiment.
Yeah. So the door, I did a little quick reading on the instruction thing, and they give you free stickers. I don't know if you do it with the previous versions because, like I said,
I think they have.
yeah. But this is cool. You know, I don't know. I like stickers. So we have that. We do the door opening. Battery goes in there, and there's a small slot for your micro.
And according
SD.
to other vloggers, natatanggal daw yung cap,
this is
the
removable.
door.
The door. I don't want to do it, but you know that it's removable. I just don't want to break it before we got to use
And the
it.
SD card.
So
Put it inside.
I won't go through the struggle of opening these things. Anyone who's bought SD cards they know how hard it is to freaking open this thing. So, but basically, it takes a micro SD card, goes into the little slot here above the battery. I don't know if you can see it, but it goes right there. And then this is where you charge the port. So based on our research and our homework, they said it takes any Type C.
Type
So
C,
even
yeah.
your laptop charger, your phone charger, because this one is a little short, but does the trick. So close the battery door. So there, it locks in. So they said once this is closed, it's basically already waterproof.
It's waterproof, but we
gonna use the
want
cheat codes.
to-
It's waterproof until 33 feet or 10 meters, but we're still going to buy
use
the case. Comes with the
I
mounting
really like that feature, huh?
mounting slot, I guess, because before the old one, this one, you would have to buy a case to really mount it
Wala
because
siya.
there's nothing.
I
So this one
like
makes the mounting super easy. You just, put it in the mounting thing, and then that's it. Screw it on, and that's it. You got the mount. Good to go. And it has a lot of options. Like I think we
You have
checked
to
it.
explore it
Like the list
first.
was super long. We don't
So
get all the
we
stuff.
need to know which ones to buy.
Yeah, what we need. But this is a super useful option.
Yeah.
Like you don't have to worry like, oh no, I forgot to bring the clip thing. Because I remember the last time when we had this, I was like, love, did you bring the clip thing? And we're like, oh, we left it in the
so
room.
we're
And I was
just
like,
going to hold it.
okay, we just have to hold it then. So at least this one, you know, you just
It's easier.
you just flip it open. According to GoPro, this lens is now hydrophobic. It has a coating on it because apparently before, I've never personally experienced it. The older GoPros, you had
GoPro
to
Hero 9.
yeah,
and
the
other
9
GoPro.
and maybe the older ones, you had to lick it because the water droplets would not slide off properly. This one, you
really
don't need to
don't
lick
have
it
to use
anymore because they said actually if you lick it, the coating can come off. So just
Para
don't.
madadamage lalo.
You don't have to worry anymore about water droplets messing up your shot because GoPro's like, yeah, we'll fix your problem. We don't want you licking our devices because that's unsanitary.
And if you compare it with GoPro Hero 5, if I'm not mistaken, or I never tried,
Yeah, I don't think this one
you
comes
can,
off.
yeah,
But this one does. I'm not gonna fully remove it, but if you turn it, as you can see,
can remove it.
the got unscrewed. You can see it here. I don't wanna fully remove it because I don't want any dust or any humidity to enter and cause fogging or damage the waterproofing. But basically, you can remove the lens should you need to replace it.
and
But
it's also compatible with GoPro
Hero
Hero
9, yeah. So if you need like a quick
Same
replacement
with the
and
battery.
stuff, yeah. But this is kind of scary for me. I don't know. But they said to not remove it unless you absolutely need to. But basically that's it. That's what comes in the box. Very, very basic. So yeah, can you do the voice thing? If you didn't set it up yet. GoPro power off. I guess you gotta set it up first. So we'll set that up later on. But for now we're just gonna turn it off. Standard way.
And sabi nila, mas mabilis na daw siya
Yeah.
compared to other GoPro Hero. So, this one, kung kailangan mo talaga mag-take ng pictures, hindi na siya super loading.
Yeah, there's no more lag between the live view mode and then when you shoot it. So that's pretty good. We'll find out. We're gonna run some tests. Not the tests that will involve it vanishing.
So, if nakita nyo dun sa previous vlogs namin with
the Insta 360 go to
super gusto namin yung product nila, but yun nga, nawala siya and never na namin siya na-experience.
significant difference over the Insta 360 is it has a screen. So you can actually
It's really helpful.
Yeah.
I think Hero 9 has.
Yeah, but I mean like the whole GoPro line that has the front-facing screens or even the back screens, because the Insta 360 has no screen. You need to use your phone. So yeah, we're about to run out of battery. We're gonna switch to a new one in a while, but we got through pretty much the basics. We're back, and since we're back and we were able to go off cam, we got the case that we bought that we thought would fit the GoPro Hero 5, which it did not, obviously, because it was too small. We ordered the GoPro Hero 5
Actually, ako yung may
case.
mali eh.
No, we ordered the correct one. They sent the wrong one, as far as I know.
Okay, akala ko.
So you can hear the flimsiness. I'm sure you can make it work by putting a piece of paper or something under there, but I don't want to do that. So
But we use that though.
yeah. So now, yay, future purchase saved. So now, there. So despite it again being waterproof, extra protection is always good. So we bought this, and now it can fit with the usual mounting stuff. So yay. This is not by GoPro, by the way. This is a generic case. The camera we're using right now, which is the Sony a6400, we don't have a gimbal, so we just walk around with it and try to be as stable as possible. At least with these ones, they have inbuilt stabilization, and I've seen it in action in the vlog of Justin, and it was pretty smooth. Pretty excited to see, because the Insta360 was pretty stable already on its own, and that was kind of cool. So now we're gonna find out what this little camera can do.
It's a little bigger than Insta360.
Yeah.
But
It's
I think
actually
it's more
it's like
really action.
Yeah, the Insta 360 is this is the size. Maybe like my thumb. Yeah, my thumb.
2/3.
Yeah, basically
Two-thirds
it's the
of
size of my thumb. Even the shape actually, it's like shaped like.
And yun nga lang, the difference is yung Insta 360 is umiingat siya agad.
Yeah.
So you really cannot shoot
so long.
videos na
What did our
sobrang
notes
tagal.
say?
And you cannot vlog using Insta 360.
Because you actually, I mean, you'll probably fit, but it's hard because you don't have a screen. You have to use your phone.
But with sa pool or underwater, you can really use it. It's really helpful.
Though the price difference between the Insta 360 and this is very far. The Insta 360 was around 15,000.
We're also planning to buy another camera na medyo maliit lang. So when we're traveling, it's not really hard for us to hold the camera because it's a little heavy.
Yeah.
And when you're carrying a lot of stuff, medyo mahirap lang siya. So with this one, we hope that we can really use it kapag nagka-travel.
Yeah. So that's it, guys.
So thank you so much for watching our vlog.
Yes, our review / comparison / unboxing / many things of the GoPro Hero 10 Black. And yeah, we're very excited to use this. If you guys have any suggestions, comments or tips, tricks, best practices, please comment down below and we will look into that. Moving forward, you're gonna see us use this. I hope we use this for a very, very, very long time and it stays in good shape. So
thank you, guys.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you for all your support.
Yes, thank you.
More gadgets to come.
Peace.
Bye.
So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Yeah. Ako na muna. That's right, guys. So people are doing unboxing, we're doing reboxing. That could be a channel idea. People are unboxing and you give me something unboxed and then I find out how to rebox it properly. Is that an idea? No, you unbox it and then you tell me, love, how do you can you rebox this?
I don't know.
See, this is not even rewind. Reboxing, like the shoes, Reebok. That's right, fell in love with an insane person.
I miss